So what causes the whole salt stuff in this our ocean is that you see the whole water body is there. You go deep, deep, deep down. There's a bare floor. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Because see, the whole place is water, 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 water. You go down, down, down there. There will be a bare floor there. And see, our ocean, the bed is a rock of salt. You understand? So during some chemical eruptions, some volcanic eruptions, so the salt will always be there because the bed, the sea floor itself is salt. So that's why our water tastes salty.
Oh, okay.
You know, I was reading somewhere, somebody said that the mountains, they possess some kind of things, and when the rain falls and the water drips, some combustion takes place, and there's something that generates into salt and whatever. I said, but there's no stream that's salty. There's no river that's salty. All this mountain water, everything go through the streams and go to the water. Why is it that it's only the sea that is salty? So the whole point is that God created it to be so. Like I'm telling you, each universe possesses a different ocean. Our ocean is salt ocean. And the sea floor of this, our ocean, is pure salt. So for 1 million years to come, our salt will always remain, our ocean will always remain salty. Because the bare floor, the sea floor itself is pure salt. So if you go to other planets that say they have a honey ocean, the bedrock is made of honey. So even if you bring the whole world water into it, it can never dilute it. The same concentration will be there. So that is it. That's God's amazing. Saying this before, God is just amazing. How he engineered his own creation. It's amazing. Recently I went to Ethiopia, and there is this water that's coming from the mountains. It is the most hottest water I've ever bathed. Like if you boil the water to the highest degree, very hot, like the one they used to remove the feathers of chicken, that kind of thing.
Yes.
Very hot. And it's directly from the mountains. So with the research, I understand that it's because of volcanic eruption. Under the mountains, there is this volcanic eruption. So, anytime there's eruption, there's fire, there's heat. So the water passes through all this eruption all the time before it gets out there.
Oh, okay.
So the water is always hot. But with the sea, it's because the sea floor is rock of salt. And that's how God created it. So our world will have this sea water till thy kingdom come. Nobody can change it. If you like the scientists go there to go and pour all the whole world water into it, it will still be salty. Because the bedrock itself is salt. And that's how God created it. If you go to other planets, you go and meet different oceans. Like I'm telling you, we have honey ocean, we have milk ocean, we have oil. So the whole point is that if you go to other planets, like the way we buy milk, if you go to other planets, the ocean there is milk.
So they don't buy milk?
No, what do we need? It's the same way we don't need the sea water so much. If you go there, they wouldn't need it.
Okay.
If you go where the ocean is oil, the petrol ocean or something, people might not see the importance. Same way we don't even value this. So yes, a lot of things go on in the sea.